Here's this little contraption that I built to do some test footage of the Osmo Action version 1, the DJI Action 2, and then a GoPro Hero 10. And I rigged it out with this little setup here, and I was able to hold it like this, and I was walking around, and I could turn all of them on. And I was at the beach. I was in San Diego, Sunset Cliffs, walking around. And I did a few shots just to see what they all look like, and I'll go through the footage in a minute here. But before that, if you're all curious how I rigged this out, I thought this was pretty fun. I'll break this rig down, and then I'll get into the footage. So up here, this is the Osmo 2, the Action 2, I mean, and it's magnetic. And this is the mount that comes with the Action 2. There you go. This is just the brain. It doesn't have the battery or the other screen below it. But I do have the case that DJI is now shipping with this camera to deal with the overheating issue. And I didn't get any overheating. It didn't shut down on me. I wasn't recording for very long, but I didn't have overheating. So that's magnetically attached there to this mount. And then I have a tripod mount that did not come with the DJI. This is just a generic one that I bought, pretty cheap. You can get them in a package for like $10 or something like that. And this is the magnetic case, magnetic connection GoPro mount that comes with the Action 2. And then on this side, I just have a regular magic arm. This one's one of the shorter ones. I'll put a link below to all of these accessories and the cameras if you're interested in trying to rig it out just like I did. I don't know who would do this. I think I'm the only one who's doing this. But this is just a regular magic arm, one of the smaller ones, pretty sturdy. I use that as a handle in addition to mounting the Action 2. And then on the top here, this is a generic cold shoe. It's a 1/4-20 mount. But on the bottom here, I have this new, well, it's not new, it doesn't come with the GoPro 10, but this is a third-party accessory, which the GoPro just should have made, but it has its own, has what the GoPro does, but also has that 1/4-20 mount there. And then finally, this is the Osmo 1, Action 1, and I have this in a PGY Tech cage. The PGY Tech cage comes with this cold shoe right here, and on the side here it comes with another 1/4-20 insert, but you can pop this off and have another cold shoe. But those are the components of this rig, and now I will get to the test footage where I had all these cameras on at the same time. The Osmo is on D-Warp.